Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set your contacts information on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on lock screen. Next, we go down and tap on contact information. Then in here, you can put in your own contact information. So for example, we put in a phone number. So you can say, please call me, or if you find this phone, please call me, and then put in your phone number or your email address or whatever type of contact that you would like to put on your lock screen, and then tap on done. And that's it. So put in your contact information. Now do not put your own phone number in here because if you lose your phone, they can't really call you. So you want to put in perhaps maybe your friends, your partner's phone number so that they can contact them to return the phone back to you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And you can see that on my lock screen now, it will show the contact information just below the clock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.